Hello friends, welcome back to Ours with Popeye. Hope you're enjoying your life to the fullest, and today I'm going to do the full review of WPL C34. This is the most advanced kit ever produced by WPL and it's said to be the best scale crawler under $100. And why I'm saying it as the best scale RC crawler under $100 is what you will see in this video. So as you can see, this is the replica of Toyota FJ40 model, and this has been precisely replicated based on the original model. And mind you, this is not the 1/16 scale model as the previous models of WPL. This is the 1/12 scale, in fact slightly larger than 1/12 scale of Toyota FJ40 model. Now the body of this Toyota is made of plastic, while the entire mechanics and the chassis is built of 90% metal parts, which I'll show you later in the video. I'm not talking about the looks. It has nice yellow lights like the old FJ LANDCRUISER. The side lamps do not lit, but definitely one can think of customizing it. It has nice molded but hollow vents through which air can pass. It's not completely sealed. It has openable doors. The rims are beautiful and is made of plastic. Although we have been provided with metal weights to bring more stability, the tires are exactly like the Toyota LANDCRUISER. It has a spare wheel at the rear, a number plate holder. It has nice plastic transparent panels for the windows. The mirrors are chromed unlike the previous models. In the interior has been quite well made with 6-seating arrangement. WPL has taken care of scale features, so much so that they have also made this seat adjustable, which is pretty awesome. And this makes me feel that WPL has pushed the scale RCs to a different level. Talking about dashboard panel, it has steering wheel, gear shifters, the differential shifter, and a nice dashboard which can be colored to make it look more realistic. Even this is adjustable. Now let's check out the parts which have been included with this RC kit. The metal links are quite well made and look strong. It has been connected to the chassis with ball joints. It is now much more smooth and stronger than it was earlier. And this time they have also provided this paneling to provide more stability and rigidity to the structure. So as you can see, instead only one link is connected this side. So this is the new 370 motor gearbox made by WPL. This is the 370 motor, this is the standard gear reduction unit, and this transfer unit. This transfer unit housing is made of plastic, but the inside gears are still metal, so which makes it very cool, and these are quite thick and strong. Next new upgrade is this new drive shafts, which are almost double the size of existing WPL drive shafts. These are completely made of metal, and even the axle housings and axles inside are made of metal. The axle bevel gears looks solid, no issues with that, quite thick compared to the initial offerings. Apart from that, the front axle has universal joints, which gives it more steering angle. So coming to the servo, this time they have provided 25G servo, which is bigger than the earlier 17G servo provided by WPL kits. So +1 for this. I'll be using a FlySky receiver and generic 20 ampere ESC with this, and this should be fine to work with this motor. Although the rims are made of plastic, it has been provided with metal weights to provide more stability. Let's do a size to size comparison between WPL C34, C24 and MN models MN45. This is a FJ40 model and this is the pickup truck version of FJ45. As you can see, WPL C34 has more realistic tires and rims compared to MN45's tires and rims. So this makes it look even more scale. It doesn't have openable doors. It has its doors open, and it has even more scale features like seat adjustment. The bonnet opens. The bonnet doesn't open in MN models. And for WPL C34, you can see how big upgrade is this from here to here. One thing I did not show you till now is these decals provided with this kit. So watch the video till the end to see the extreme crawling and off-roading test of this WPL C34, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.